What's up, ladies and gentlemen weapons? How y'all doing today? I just want to bring you a quick little video and review of the, hold on just a second, it's another ONN product, an ONN product from Walmart. I just wanted to see if it charges my watch. Actually, let me go grab my watch. Hold on just a second. Bear with me, ladies and gentlemen weapons. But this thing came in at 9 after tax. I think it was like 10.54 or something like that. Come on, Basil. Come on. It was like 10.54, and the reason why I bought it is not actually for a phone charger. It's a wireless phone charger, a wireless charging pad. Hold on just a second and I'll show it to you. Say hi to Basil, everybody. Basil, say hi. Say hi. She's camera shy right now. But anyways, say hi. Anyways, here we go with the butt-outs again, people. Here it is. It says it's for iPhone 8, 8 Plus, and newer versions, Samsung, Google, and other QI-enabled smartphones. So we're going to see if it works with my watch. The reason why I bought it is because I lost my charger to my smartwatch, my Gear S3 Frontier, and I really like my Gear S3 Frontier. I wanted to wear a watch again. So let me do a quick unboxing of this thing and then plug it up and see if it works. So hold on just a second while I do this. I'm going to set you on the tripod and put you right here and see how we can get this thing unboxed. Just rip it open like that. It's a nice little charging pad for $10. It's not bad. It's a basic charging pad. $10 and some tax. It's $9.98, I believe, plus tax. So it comes with, it does not have a manual. My desk is a mess because I just take things and I throw them and push them back. I need to really clean up my mess of a desk. But anyways, it comes with the charging pad right here, and it says the device complies with 15 of the FCC rules. Operation is subject to the following two conditions. This device may not cause harmful interference, and this device may accept any interference received, including interference that may cause undesired operations. Okay, so it comes with that, and then it comes with this also, which is just a charging cable that you plug into. I'm going to plug it into the computer. It's just basic USB stuff. I know y'all have problems with cords, so no offense, but y'all have asked a bunch about. I'm actually not moving too, by the way, so I will try to do. Actually, I will do that today also. So we're going to plug this up. There's no light. Oh, there's a green light on it. So when you plug it up, there's a little green light on the end of it right here, and we're going to see if it charges my watch. Please charge my watch. It looks like it's charging my watch. That's awesome. That is awesome because it's showing a blue light right now. So we'll see if it turns on here in a little bit. And hello again, Basil. But that's that. Sorry for the messy desk. See that pile of shit over there? Or excuse my language, pile of junk. Anyways, so that's the watch. I mean, that's the watch, and then that's the charging cable. If it fully charges it, I'll tell you how long it fully charges and leave it in the description at some point in time. Thank you for watching, ladies and gentlemen weapons, and I will see y'all in the next one. Peace out.